The fires are not out, but with effort and a lot of help from nature, today they are much more contained.
We were patient. We engaged when we thought we could make it a difference, and we got out there and worked around. So this morning we were able to report out that we've upped our percent of containment to 85% on Cameron Peak, and we added some containment on to the Thompson Zone.
To show containment, we need to have boots on the ground, verifying that the fire's edge is out.
It took some days for the snow to melt off, but now that we can see where the fire's edge actually is, now that the snow is receded, we can get in there and verify where the lines are and if there's any heat left in them. We have found a little bit of heat, and the crews have been able to make use of the snow that's still on the ground to mop those areas up.
Among the hundreds of firefighters from all over the nation working around this vast fire area, there is one crew from Puerto Rico working the line in Rocky Mountain National Park.
We're basically from the beach, most of us, near the ocean. We're here today trying to help.
Elsewhere, hotshot crews are tasked with hiking up steep hillsides like this to investigate and deal with some remaining small pockets of fire near populated areas.
Some of that is really steep, difficult terrain with large boulders and rocks and whatnot. We had a smoke that was reported near County Road 43, so those folks are going to look at that and see if there's a way we can get that contained in there and stop that from backing slowly down the hill.
We won't ask firefighters to take unnecessary risks to put out every hot spot, and that's because many of those are still surrounded by snow, and they will pose little threat until nature puts them out completely. Firefighters will, however, continue to keep a close watch on the ground and in the air and take appropriate actions when and where the need arises.